Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So it's almost Christmas. It's like how many days to go before Christmas?
I think 5 more days.
5 more days.
Well, there's like 4 days to go.
4 days to go.
So we're going to do something special because it's Christmas. We're doing unboxing. Unboxing some gifts for ourselves. And the first is for mom. For mommy. Okay, so do you know what it is?
I don't know. I have no idea. Actually, this is his gift.
Yes. One of the gifts that I bought for my wife. It's Christmas.
Christmas gift.
Let's go unbox. See what it is.
Special.
It's big. Maybe it's a cake.
No. Definitely not.
Okay.
Maybe it's chocolate milk.
Okay. Let mommy.
Think that
open
is.
What is it?
Okay. Oh, mom.
Wow!
Nice.
Oh, nice!
What is it?
Wait. Is this?
No,
I got plenty.
They gotta get
So
Yay!
GoPro!
I bought her a GoPro 8 because she's been working so hard with our YouTube channel. She's been working so hard. So
Thank you!
Wait.
Okay.
There's a sticker.
So online. It has this is GoPro 8. We picked this I was trying to search for for a good vlogging camera. And this is within my budget, so I bought this for her. But it has some accessories that I bought. It has the screen protector for the camera. Wait, we'll try to show what that I bought. It's it has the case for the GoPro 8 Hero 8 GoPro Hero 8. I think this is the latest one.
Please.
Am I gonna open this?
Yes, we can.
Help.
Okay.
Anyone?
So here's the case.
Slurp Z.
Looks like
Dreams.
Yeah.
oh. So you're gonna put the GoPro
The camera here.
camera
Mommy, where's the lightsaber?
remove this.
It's like a protective. I don't know.
Run the light.
I don't know.
Maybe you just have to put it
No.
like that.
I think you should put the camera in. You should take this off and then put everything in. Okay. I don't know how to do it, but maybe we can watch some, unboxing tutorials.
Yay!
How to use. Wait. Okay. Also, it has the rechargeable battery. Okay. I think that goes with the camera.
I like that camera.
Okay. It also has like a silicone frame case. It's a case for the for that micro SD card.
No, I'm gonna
How to do this? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. A micro SD card.
I need the scissors.
There's a flash drive to store some,
It's not.
kit. Okay.
This one. Selfie stick.
Charge 3 batteries over here.
Oh, so you have to buy.
Included in the package is this
No, it's your
selfie stick, a 3-way selfie stick.
Choose.
I think you can fold it. Okay.
Fine. That's for you.
Ah,
Look
yeah.
at this.
Open this.
I'll be in my turn.
Sides.
It has a selfie stick. Uh-huh.
Trust me, I never.
Wow.
Keep this one and it's okay.
Okay.
Keep these two and it's okay. Oh!
Okay.
This one, what's this for?
So you can fold it. No, so you can fold it.
Fold it?
Yeah.
Fool me once. Once, so shame on you. Fool me twice, that's not nice.
Hi, Ned.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Tripod. This selfie stick has a tripod over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Go.
This one.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
It's a camera manual.
So this is the instruction
Wait, there's a way to do instructions how to use the camera.
Oh, it has some battery.
Alright, so like I said, it comes with a battery. This one has the blue strip. Okay. This one is like the sticky tape. Okay. The USB cable.
A cable.
I will. You put it back. You have to unclip it. Push. Wait, don't remove the sticker yet. So here is the GoPro Hero 8. So mom, I hope you enjoy using this GoPro 8
Yes.
We're going
Hero
to
8. And the reason why I gave this to her is because on Monday, December 23rd, we're going to Shanghai Disneyland, and I want her to use this when we go there. Okay? Yeah.
And next
Enjoy the unboxing of
GoPro.
Mommy's first gift for Christmas.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in the next video. Those of you who have, just came across with our video, I don't know.
Please don't forget to like
and subscribe.
and
Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss.
never miss.
Our video. Wait, don't you have another gift?
All right.
Bye.
Bye bye.